What's happening, Hardscapers? I want to walk through what I've been up to these past few days on this job. Haven't been keeping up too much with this because I'm ready to move on from this project, but lots got done and it looks like we have maybe one more big day of dressing up the pond and a small day of just doing minor cleanup things, dressing up topsoil. But let me show you what we've done. So we did the polymeric sand in the landings of the steps coming down, brought in some pink quartz that they wanted along the side here. Got to fix that up a little bit. Added a little landing at the bottom here as well. Those lights are going to look nice with all that shining down. Got to clean up this area. Got to clean up the trench. Posts are in. So we got one post there for the transformer for the lights at the steps, as well as the lights at the fire pit, and an extra outlet for the client. We also just did this landing here, this extra small walkway coming into the pond. So this looks nice, coming out and then forking two different directions, one to the fire pit, one to the pond. We put in a small wall here that I got to fix the caps a bit, but basically this allows us to slope some soil up to these rocks around this waterfall basin. But this wall just got to be dressed up a little bit. Got some more rocks to put in the pond, got to dress the pond up. That'll be tomorrow, and then we can start bringing in some nice soil and some boulders to go around the outside of the pond. The other post there, that's for the pump for the pond, as well as the transformer for the lights in the pond. So I'd say 2 more days here. So we got a lot more rock in. We brought a bunch of rock. We started on the waterfall over there with some of the moss rocks, started framing in that waterfall, set up the waterfall with plumbing and everything, and really just fine-tune things to make sure that our liner is where it needs to be. And this thing is coming along here. this has been most definitely one of the most difficult jobs in recent memory with my business, in terms of just putting my head down, trying to keep to a schedule, having something that I want to get done in a day, just doing it, and feeling content with what I get done. Even though I'm behind schedule, even though, you know, things have gone wrong along the way, I'm just happy with my progress so far, how the job is looking, as well as, most importantly, how impressed the clients are with the end product so far. And when all is said and done, how happy they will be with the end product. The end is near, the end is in sight. We just got to dress that pond up a little bit, fix some minor things here and there, get it filled up, get that water flow flowing, make sure it's not leaking, and then it's just knocking things out to make sure that we end strong on the job, make sure that we clean things up, make things look nice, and get on out of there and on to the next job. I thank everyone that's been following along with this vlog and keeping up day to day with this. Thank you so much. Thank you for those that comment. I really appreciate that, and leaving your 2 cents on the project. I love it. Thanks so much. Thank you to those that continue to subscribe, like, whatever it may be, to show your support for this. And if you haven't already checked out, we have the How to Hardscape podcast with lots of great topics covered, everything from products, business, financial experts that I interview on the show. Check that out on Spotify, Apple Podcasts. That's the How to Hardscape podcast. And I think the next time you'll see me actually with this job, with another video on this job, will be the end product, showing you everything. And then I'll string together all of the time lapses and put out there an ultimate beginning to end Y project time lapse. Thanks so much for your support. See you next time.